Ready, start. I thankful to you, sir, for giving me a chance to speak in this debate. I am glad today the Prime Minister opened his speech with a reference to our relations with Pakistan. I would like to draw the attention of the House to what has been happening in the border area. I cannot attach much importance, nor do I, the last 11 years. We have had a number of such meetings and conferences. What the Prime Minister has read out today from the letters of the Prime Minister of Pakistan and his subsequent statements will clearly prove that the Pakistan Prime Minister is hardly serious about the meeting, and he does not know his own mind. But the fact remains that the position in the borders of Tripura and Assam, and also in some areas of West Bengal adjoining the Pakistan border, should receive the attention of this House and government. Papers this side may not publish all the details, but we in Bengal and in the eastern part of India get more detailed news about what has been happening. I can make some allowance for possible exaggeration in some reports in newspapers. But in spite of everything, there is no denying the fact that large numbers of people have been leaving their hearths and homes from those villages and are now more or less homeless refugees in a most deplorable condition. I think it is the duty of this government to see that the border people are given proper protection, whatever may happen in the ultimate relation between India and Pakistan. As I have stated, I do not attach much importance to the conference the two Prime Ministers will have, nor do I expect much result to come out of that. At the same time, it is an obligation of the government to give necessary protection to the people on the borders who have been suffering for the last few months. It is a sort of cold war going on, and if the government have not been suffering so much, the people on the border areas have been suffering terribly, and I expect the Prime Minister to give due attention to this matter and see that the people on our side, who are our citizens, should not be made to suffer because of some desperate actions of Pakistan due to some political or other motives.